Hi, I'm Greg Berman, and I'm going to discuss social media for microlearning. What is microlearning? Microlearning is an educational approach that involves delivering content in small, focused, and easily digestible units, usually lasting a few minutes or even seconds. Some examples are podcasts. Podcasts are series that can be listened to online, and podcasts are a great way to build and engage with an audience. Quizlet, one of my favorites that I have my students use, it's a web-based tool that allows users to create study tools such as interactive flashcards, test, and study games. I think it's great. My students love it. We can do Quizlet Live and play other games that encourage the students to learn the vocab at Duolingo, one of my personal favorites. It's a language learning application which is tailored to the individual user. I'm going to go ahead and bring up my account. I just want to show you here, I've been doing it for 1,083 days. I'm almost to 3 years. Some micro-learning activities that you can do within the app are speaking, listening. You can practice your mistakes, your words, and stories. Here's the words. I'm going to show you an example here. So continue. Según, according to. And I encourage my students to repeat, so it also becomes a speaking activity. Actualmente. Currently.
Silenciosamente.
Silenciosamente.
Recientemente.
Recientemente. Humor. So that's one way to practice the vocab within each unit. You can also go to the speaking activity.
Trabajarías como piloto y visitarías cada país.
Trabajarías como piloto y visitarías cada país. Normally I would hit the tap speak and speak into it, but since my microphone's already being used, it won't work, but it's a great way to practice speaking and listening. And then here's another way to practice listening that I also encourage speaking as well.
Señora, no llame a un médico, ya me siento mejor.
Señora, no llame a un... Let's say you didn't hear it and you wanted to go a little slower. Hit the turtle.
Señora, no llame a un médico, ya me siento mejor.
All right, so that's pretty cool to practice listening. I'm like typing. If you are using an iPad or your phone, I encourage you to speak what you hear. So again, you're listening, you're speaking. So Duolingo is a great way to
Yo le tenía
micro-learn.
mucho miedo a los payasos.
Get out of here.
Una vez, en mi fiesta
Of
de
course, with anything and
cumpleaños, me regalaron un disfraz de
everything, there's
payaso y lloré toda la
always
noche.
privacy or security issues. So data privacy concerns are, so some social media platforms may collect and share user data. One solution could be choose platforms with robust privacy policy and settings. Another concern is inappropriate content. So the issue could be social media platforms may host inappropriate or distracting content that can negatively impact learning. One solution could be is to check to see if the app offers a setting for a younger audience. I know Duolingo does. Sometimes they talk about cerveza or vino, beer or wine. There's an actual setting within the app that you can set to avoid inappropriate content. Microlearning is an awesome way to learn. I love it. And again, my favorite is Duolingo. Go back to here where I can practice speaking, listening, words, stories, and mistakes. Thanks for listening. Muchas gracias. Adios.